Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can use a custom shape, apply effects to the custom shape, copy it into Illustrator, apply an image trace and then return it to Photoshop to create a custom shape. It's great, interesting new vector shapes, quick and easy. Okay, I'm using Photoshop CS4, now same basic approach for CS5 etc. as well. First thing to do, obviously Photoshop, and just go to the custom shape tool, just select that. Now the design I'm going to be using is a silhouette cat custom shape. You can find them on the andrewshapes.com website and graphicextras.com website as well. So just going to select that one, and of course you could use any custom shapes or you could use text or whatever for this. So just apply the design, maybe that bit, just going to put it in the middle because I'm just going to flatten that, flatten image, and now I'm just going to go for a few filters. I'm just going to go for blur, maybe Gaussian blur, maybe not so extreme, and I'm going to go for an image and adjustments and curves. I'm just going to create a sort of contour design in this one. So you can see a little quick contour around the cat. And you can obviously vary that, you can create multiple contours, just quick and easy using this approach. Right, make it very fairly sharp. Click OK. I'll say I flattened the image, so I can now select all, Control C, copy, and go over to Illustrator. Now in Illustrator I'm using CS4 as well, so they're all consistent. Doesn't matter, of course you could be using CS4, you could use CS6, etc. So just paste that in, paste. Now you've got the design there. You can now go to Live Trace, click Live Trace. So already you've got that nice contour design, just obviously a nice sort of nice flowing design. It's not particularly a nice elegant contour, but it's contour-like. Okay, now you can modify that a bit further using the threshold setting. So you could actually go that way, or you could maybe also modify other settings. There's various settings in here in the presets. Just open that just to see various things. Now, I'm quite happy with that. So now I can expand. So once I've expanded it, I can now do Object, Ungroup. Right, well, now you want to actually get rid of this, basically this frame that you've got bound in box. So what you want to do then is go Select, and you want to do Same Fill and Stroke, just to make certain you just get rid of all those, so you can delete that. And now you've got this vector design. Nice sort of contour, mini gap. And of course, depending on the curves or the effects you used in Photoshop, the result will be slightly different, of course. So, Control C again, and go back to that. Just get rid of that. New, paste that in. Now I want to paste it as a shape layer. Don't want to place it as a smart object, so shape layer. And you've got the shape there, and then you go to Edit and Define Custom Shape. Okay, so you've got a custom shape. Now, next thing to do, just go over here, go down there, and there's the actual custom shape I just created. And you can of course use that. And of course you can save it. So if you want to save it permanently, you can just quickly go to Save Shapes. So just save it as a CSH file for Photoshop use, CS4, CS5, etc. If you save it as CS4, you can't use it for earlier versions. I hope you found this quick tutorial of interest. Thank you much.